Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a baseball match with stuffed animals. You know, they can't get back on the mound. I know they can't pitch or hit. So I'm gonna be, if it hits one of them, even if it hits the burrito, it's an out. It's him, it's an out. I might just use the T, so I don't just have to roll it up and then. Let me get the bat. This is my bat design. Custom. Yeah, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where? There's the ball. Okay. Where's the ball? Where is it? Sorry guys. I'm trying to find the ball. Oh. Forgot it. Just a song. See right there. Okay. But how? Let's start it. Okay, let's start the game. Wait, did it hit my book? Oh no. Start the game. Okay, look out. Okay. I'm supposed to be playing on my knees. The tee is way too hard to hit off of. So I'm gonna put the tee away and I'll get it when I need it later. Okay. Sweet spot. Ow. It hit first baseman right here. This is just the pitcher. This got the burrito second base. Sorry, pitcher. And the sheep is third base. Okay. I tipped it. Bunt. The sliding mitt. No. Get back up there. Glove. Okay. I need to put on the sliding mitt. I have a man at first base now. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to hit with the sliding mitt on. I'm not gonna put it on a fast enough. Well, yes I will. Just put it right in my pocket. Okay, so I got a man at tell you if it's a home run. If it goes past the burrito, it's a home run. Okay. I did not put that on fast enough. Wait. Okay. Now I got a man at second base. Now I have to put this on. Okay. When somebody hits it. Okay. Made it to second. Okay, now base is loaded. Okay. That base is loaded right now. Okay. Somebody hit it, but it was an out. So now rush. Okay, somebody else hit it. Okay. Another person. Run scored by me. I don't want the song of it. I'm good without it. Okay. Ah, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Hello, oh, I'm so sorry. First baseman. He caught it. So 2 outs for me. For me, it's 2 outs now. Did that pass the burrito? One measure. Okay. So. Okay, let me move it up. Okay, so it didn't go past him. Let's just go ahead with that. That's the base. Get the ball. Yeah. I'm gonna hit the tee. I'm gonna hit off the tee again. My tee. Come on. Stay. Get the tee. Okay. This looks like T-ball, but it's baseball. It's a baseball match. Okay, I can't get another out. I already have 2 outs. I cannot get another out. Okay. Okay. Shohei Ohtani power. Strike 1. Shohei. Ow. 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 That hurt. The ball did not hit first base or the first baseman. So, got a man on the first. Foul ball. So we don't move around too much. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry about that, guys. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. He got thrown out. He got thrown out. Okay, so the match ends in 4 minutes. I'll do part 2, but I might have more player. One more player that time. So my teammate got thrown out. So my turn to got a batter. Okay. If this hits the bat, I need a pitcher still. Okay. Just imagine that there is a batter right here, right now. Ball, I think. Okay, strike one. Okay. Strike 2. Oh, ball. Ball 2. Ball 3. And okay, strike 1. No, strike 2. Strike 3. You're out. Okay. That wasn't anything. Strike 1. Ball. Okay. What's going on? Okay. 2 more minutes of this video. Because it's at the 12th minute. Right now. Strike 2. Oh, wait. Okay. Ball. Strike 2. Strike 3. You're out. 13th minute, guys. 1 more minute left. Okay. My turn to bat. What is the yeah, I forgot about that. If this lands, if it lands in the glove my glove is on the plate right now. You can't see it though. I'll just put the glove right. It will be right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Already at the 14th minute. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me get a home run real quick. Home run. Shohei Ohtani. Base. Goated. Sorry, pitcher.